Yes, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I wanted to share with you something incredible, something that literally is going to blow you away. So if you're someone like me who's always struggled to write copy, you've struggled to come up with things to say for your landing pages, your ads, your blog posts, your captions in your social media posts, anything in any channel or any format, any content in any channel or any format, this tool that I'm about to show you will make your copywriting life an absolute breeze. It will take care of everything for you with just a couple of clicks of a button. Yes, that's exactly what I said, a couple of clicks. This tool is absolutely incredible. It's revolutionary, and in my opinion, it's gonna be soon to be legendary. So this tool is an artificial intelligence software, which means it's always learning, it's always improving, and it's always learning to give you the best high converting copy and content possible that's out there. It's based on 2 billion data points and growing. It's forever growing, which means your content will always be unique. Now, what does it do? Basically, it will write copy for your ads, whether it will be Facebook ads, whether it will be Google ads, whether it will be Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. It will also write you product descriptions for your Amazon store. If you've got an Amazon store, you've got products for that. It will write you a YouTube description. It will write you your social media posts on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and it will write you emails from scratch, high converting, enticing emails as well. And it will also, check this out, it will also write you a full-blown blog post, a well-written, organized, high engaging blog post with just a couple of clicks of a button. So you don't even have to know what you want to write. It will write it for you. This thing is absolutely incredible. So if you're ready to see the power of this tool, get ready, because I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can go about using it to its best ability and take full advantage of this new and exciting tool. So I'm really excited to bring this tool to you so that you can use it for yourself. So without any further ado, let's jump over to my screen and I'll show you exactly how this tool works. So as you can see, I've made it over to my computer and we're now inside the software. The software is called Anyword. So how this works is, like I said before, it will write you pretty much any copy that you want for any channel or format. So it will write you copy for Facebook ads, Google ads, Outbrain, Taboola, Twitter ads, LinkedIn ads, Pinterest ads. It will do this all for you. It will write copy for all of these formats for you that are high converting and that stand out. And if you scroll down even further, you can see that they give you the ability to, generate copy for your landing page, generate SEO meta description, or you can even improve the existing product or landing page that you already have. So it'll take the landing page that you already have, it will go through it itself, and it will suggest words and copy to improve your already existing landing page. It's pretty phenomenal. And I'll scroll down again, product description for Amazon. If you've got products on Amazon and you want to write descriptions for your products in no time, you can literally do that. It will write persuasive product descriptions that actually sell for you. Just all this with just a few clicks of a button. Again, social posts, social media posts like Facebook posts, Instagram captions, tweets, LinkedIn posts, Pinterest pins, YouTube description. So it will write you a YouTube description. Email subject lines, it will generate email subject lines for you, and it will write you an enticing email from scratch and also SMS messages as well. So all of this you can do pretty much with just a few clicks of a button. Now check this out as well. Your blog, you can write a well-written, a full-blown, well-written, well-organized blog post with this tool as well. So you can go from a blank page to an absolutely masterful, professionally written blog post in minutes. It's absolutely insane. And if we go here to basic copywriting, you can write a sales page based on these winning professional formulas that all professional copywriters use. So you've got the AIDA principle, the AIDA formula, which is attention, interest, desire, and action, which is a classic copywriting formula. And it's used by almost every copywriter on the planet. So all those fancy sales pages that you see, they all follow that formula. And you don't have to rack your brain about writing them at all. You can literally just get this tool to do it for you. It'll also write one based on the PADS principle, the BAB principle, which is a formula that presents the problem situation before the solution situation and the solution itself. This is incredible. It'll also write a sales page copy with the perfect headline, powerful bullet points, value proposition. I mean, this thing is just literally, there's no end to what this artificial intelligence software can do for you. So if we go back to the main page, I want to show you an example of how this works. So let me start off with a Google ad, for example, a Google ad copy. So for instance, say I wanted, or you wanted to create a Google ad. You just click on this button. You want to create a new project. So it's going to ask you a couple of questions. So tell us about what you want to promote. Choose the industry or topic that best describes your product. So let's go for health and fitness. Let's go for something like that. And all you have to do is literally just pick a URL that's based in this category or industry. So you may have a website already, or you may have another website in mind that you want to use as an example. So for this example, I'm going to use this one, Everyday Health. So I'll take their link and then I'll come back here and then I'll paste it into this box, press enter or create project. Please enter a valid industry or topic. Okay, so it wants me to, so let's just put healthy living. So we choose healthy living. Look, it's going to automatically now go through the website that I just took. So that URL I just pasted into the box, it's going to go through it. It's going to scrape it and it's going to take the best parts of the website and come up with a product description. And it's going to also come up with, it's going to give me its brand name. So what it is and why it's so good for you, Everyday Health, right? And then the product description based on the website that it's just gone through. It's given me a product description. So now all you have to do is press create project. And now it brings you to this screen. So you now have the ability to create high converting, high performing headlines and description. So all I have to do now is literally just press generate. So I'm now in the description phase. So say I want to create a Google ad description. Okay, I just click which type of copy I want to generate, whether I want it to be confident, playful, a kind of, you know, toddler or kiddie type tone of voice, conversational, hard sell, or I can create my own. But let's just stick with default for demonstration purposes. I click generate. And now it's going to go to work based on the website that I just took and entered into the software, and it's going to give me suggestions for the Google Ads description. So here, and it also gives you a score. So you get a score as well. So it will basically give you a recommendation based on a score of how well it's going to convert and how well the description is going to perform in the ad. So it's given me 71 out of 100, which is pretty good. So learn all about the benefits of exercise, learn more about what it is and why it's so good for you, find out why fitness is so important to your health. We've got one here, and this one is not so good. It's given it a 64 score, but you've got one here. It says, find out all you need to know about getting healthy, right? So I could take any one of these and use them in my Google Ads description. So if you click on the score as well, it'll give you a little bit more detail about the predictive performance of this description. So it tells me it's a more of a feminine tone of voice, and it tells me the age range that it appeals to. It's absolutely incredible. And then if you scroll down a bit more, it tells you, what the main offering is within the description and the emotions that it conveys. So that description that I've just clicked on here, the main offer is exercise, and the motions that it conveys is curiosity. It also gives you a rating, whether it's safe or not to use on Google Ads. And obviously here, it's marked it as safe. So this is crazy. So if I wasn't happy with this, I can, choose another one. So let's, generate a copy using a conversational tone. So let me click that, then I click generate, and then it's going to go to work for me. Okay. And look at this, it's giving me more. And this one's even higher. Look, 85. So this is even a higher predictive performance score if I was to use this in my description. So lose weight with these 18 best apps for weight loss. Scroll down, it's giving me some more as well, what it is and why it's so good for you. See, can you see how powerful this is? You won't ever have to worry about writing copy, and it's unique. No one else will get this in their results. Even if they were to have this software themselves, they will not get these results. It's completely unique to you. It's incredible. So let's move over to the headline, and let's generate some headlines as well. So you're sitting there, you're struggling to think about what headline you want to write or to come up with. And I just clicked it within just one click of a button. It's given me, look, it's given me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's given me a score of 81. So get fit with these 18 apps, how to be fit. Absolutely incredible. This is the power of this tool, this Anyword software. You can also choose how many headlines or how many copy variations at a time that you want it to produce for you. So I've already got it on 5, but you can choose 3, as you can see here, or you can choose a maximum of 10, and it will produce that amount of variations all at one time. So you can choose between these 3 amounts to get your copy variations. And like I said before, there's no limit to how many variations that you can generate. So you can keep pressing generate over and over and over and over again for unlimited amounts of time, and it will keep producing new copy variations for you. And you can also choose your tone of voice as well. And if you want to rewrite some of them, then you can do that as well. So for instance, if I take this, okay, and I copy and paste that and say, I want to try and improve that score of 81. I can just click here, more engaging, right? So it'll help me improve the score, and I can press generate. Just like that. I don't have to type in anything else, just copy and paste, press generate, and it'll try and beat itself to give you a better scoreline. And check this out, look at here. It's come up with a better scoreline. Look, 85, it's improved it to 85. Be more physically fit with these 18 apps. Do you see the power of this tool? This tool is amazing. So if I go back to projects, let's choose another one. For example, let's do a landing page. So I know a lot of you out there struggle to come up with content and copy for your landing page. So let's choose a landing page one. So we'll create a landing page copy, transform product description into an entire landing page with this powerful tool. So we'll click that, click new project. Okay. We'll stick with the healthy living topic. So I am going to put product or brand name. So it's going to ask me, describe the product or content you want to promote. Describe the product service you would like to promote. So I would like to promote, let's say, a yogurt. No. Let's go for some sort of diet. So Atkins, spell it wrong, Atkins diet. So let's just put Atkins diet for example. So this diet is designed for you to have a healthier way of living, as well as lose weight quickly and safely. Okay, so I'll just put in product description and I'm going to press create project, and it's going to go to work for me again, and it's going to set me up to these templates. So I'll use the default template and I'll click generate. And look at this, already it's given me these high converting headlines. This is amazing. So look, unbelievable weight loss without exercise. Get skinny now. A safe way to lose weight quickly. Don't mess up your diet. Weight loss made easy. And look at these predictive performance scores. 76, 77, 80, 81. I think I saw 80, 87. So they've given me a high persuasive and high performing headlines just with the click of a button. Now if I go to subheader, I can create a subheader. I can create a call to action. I can also create benefits. So this is a real big one as well. So if you looking to write benefits on your landing page or your website, it will create benefits that you can put in your landing pages or your screed page or your websites. So for example, you can also enhance it by putting in some keywords as well, but I'm just going to choose the default template for this example, and I'm going to generate for the software to give me benefits that I can use and include on my landing page or my website. So it's going to go to work and it's going to create high converting, high persuasive benefits. So there already. So the first batch, it's given me an 83 out of 100 score. So the benefit here is lose weight quickly, start burning fat after just 3 days on the diet, see immediate weight loss, shed up to 5 pounds per week. Second benefit, eat healthy with 130 delicious low carb recipes. You can eat unlimited quantities. And the third benefit, lose weight safely, reclaim control over your appetite and food cravings, lose weight gradually. I haven't had to write anything. It's just given me a set of benefits. You scroll down again, improves well-being. By following this diet, it allows people to feel better about themselves, which will also allow them to see their true potential. It's writing this by itself, and it's basing this on what converts out there in the industry. And like I said, it has 2 billion data point references to go from, and it's always learning and always improving. So already I've got all these benefits I can choose from that I can include on my landing page or my website. It's absolutely incredible, this software. You can also go on to do features as well. So all of this, literally, if you go through all of these by yourself, you've literally got a landing page already there in just minutes. And if you've got multiple landing pages you want to do, you can do that. You can just breeze through them by using this software, this tool. It's absolutely fantastic. So there you have just a sample of what Anyword, this artificial intelligence, can do. It's phenomenal. And like I said before, it's revolutionary. It's changing the game. It's giving the opportunity for just ordinary folk just like you and me to become professional copywriters. And having said that as well, if you get this tool, and if you do decide to get this tool, I'm going to actually hook you up with a free coupon, which will get you 20% off. No matter what plan you choose, you'll be able to get 20% off if you do decide to go ahead and get this software. And I do highly recommend that you get this software if you're someone who relies on copywriting for your business, or you struggle with copywriting. This is something you definitely should have in your arsenal, and you'll be able to literally run circles around anybody else who doesn't use this tool. You'll never have to worry about copywriting again. And if you don't decide to purchase this, that's cool. You can literally click the link below in this video, and you'll get a free trial with this for 7 days. So be able to use this and play around with it and see exactly how powerful this is, and how you can literally write copy in minutes, in just a few clicks of a button. But if you like it that much and you really do decide to go ahead and get it, use the coupon code in the link in the description. And if you go through my link, it'll only work with my link. If you go through my link, you can get 20% off of any plan, no matter what plan you choose. I do suggest you go for the business plan, because that will give you unlimited usage of the platform. But if you don't, it doesn't matter. You can also start on the basic plan. But that is Anyword in a nutshell. This is the ultimate copywriting solution in existence, and it's going to change a lot of people's lives and make their lives a lot easier and a lot simpler, where they don't have to spend hours and hours on end trying to come up with copy. They can just literally have copy within a few minutes. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough, and I've just had to share this with you and just show you exactly how powerful and how great this tool is. And by the way, you can actually do freelancing with this tool. You can actually create an agency where you're hiring your services to create copy for other companies, other businesses, and you can just use this tool, and you can literally create tons of copy for these businesses and create your agency around it, and start earning that way as well. You can literally turn this into a business for yourself. So listen, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said, click the link below, get your 7-day free trial, and if you want to get this tool permanently, use the coupon code that's in the description below. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've been Steve Wright, and I shall see you in the next one. Later.